Whether you're a first-time cruiser or a seasoned sailor, get ready to discover some surprising cruise no-nos. It's your buddy for Ever Diverse Journeys here, and listen, before you start practicing your shuffleboard victory dance, we gotta talk about something kinda important: cruise ship rules. Yeah, I know, rules are about as fun as a sunburn, but trust me on this one. Cruise lines have these things called policies, and let's just say they're a little more strict than my diet after a week at Epcot. We're talking about the kind of stuff that might surprise you, like, wait, I can't bring on board? Kinda surprises. So buckle up, grab a piña colada, non-alcoholic for now, we're not on the Lido deck yet, and let's dive into 7 surprising things you can't bring or do on a cruise. Alright, coffee lovers, this first one's for you. You know how you've got that one special creamer that makes your morning coffee sing? The one that's basically a hug in a mug? Yeah, well, leave the giant bottle at home. Apparently, cruise ships have something against passengers bringing enough creamer to supply a small army. Don't worry, they've got creamer on board, but if you're married to that hazelnut macadamia nut milk concoction, pack those little single serving packets. I mean, you wouldn't want to start your day with a side of confiscation, right? It's like that time I tried to sneak a whole watermelon onto a flight. Spoiler alert, it didn't fly. Okay, this one seems obvious, but you'd be surprised how many people try to bring weapons on board. And I'm not talking about your grandpa's rusty pocket knife collection. I'm talking about toy guns, water guns, Nerf guns, even those foam swords you win at the carnival. Look, I get it. You want to have a little fun, maybe recreate your favorite action movie scene by the pool. But trust me, the only thing you'll be recreating is a scene from Locked Up Abroad. Security doesn't mess around, folks. They see a weapon, even a plastic one, and it's game over. Remember that time I brought my Guillermo action figure collection to Comic-Con? Yeah, security didn't find that as funny as I did. So, you want to look sharp for those formal nights, right? I hear ya. But before you pack that entire bottle of wrinkle releaser, listen up. Cruise ships have a love-hate relationship with aerosols. They love them when they're tiny, like travel-sized hairspray, but full-size cans? Not so much. It's all about safety, apparently. They're worried those cans might turn the ship into a giant can of hairspray, and nobody wants that. Especially not me, I just got my hair done. So, stick to those travel-sized sprays or those wrinkle release wipes. Your clothes and the ship's fire suppression system will thank you. Leave the fundraising at home. Okay, this one's for all you entrepreneurial spirits out there. I know you're thinking, captive audience, beautiful scenery. What a perfect time to sell some homemade jewelry. But hold your horses, my friend. Cruise ships are not your personal floating marketplace. No selling, no fundraising, no matter how delicious those Girl Scout cookies are. And trust me, I've tasted those Thin Mints. They're dangerous, but the cruise line wants you to spend your money on their stuff, not your neighbors. It's like trying to sell timeshares at a timeshare convention. Not cool, man. Water shoes, poolside, no. Alright, this one's a head scratcher for me. You can wear water shoes on the beach, you can wear them on excursions, but some cruise lines, they draw the line at the pool. Apparently, those little rubber soles are public enemy number 1 for pool liners. I guess they'd rather have you slipping and sliding around like a penguin on ice then risk a scratch on their precious pool. So, leave the water shoes in your suitcase and pack some flip-flops. Or, just embrace your inner child and go barefoot. Just watch out for rogue pool noodles. Balcony decorating, not on my watch. I know, you want to personalize your little slice of oceanfront property. Maybe hang a flag, some streamers, maybe even a disco ball. But hold your horse's party animal. Cruise ships are very particular about their aesthetics. They want their ships to look like sleek, sophisticated ocean liners, not a floating Mardi Gras parade. Plus, there's the whole wind thing. Imagine your giant inflatable flamingo becoming a projectile and taking out a flock of seagulls. Not a good look. Casino rules: stick to the house games. Alright gamblers, this one's for you. You know how cruise ships have those fancy casinos, the ones with the flashing lights and the free drinks? Well, here's the thing. You can only gamble in the casino, no setting up your own poker game in the library, no blackjack tournaments by the pool. The cruise line wants to control the action, and they definitely want their cut of the winnings. It's like trying to start your own currency on a deserted island. Good luck with that. Set sail for smooth sailing. So there you have it, folks. 7 surprising things you can't bring or do on a cruise. Look, I know these rules might seem a little over the top, but hey, they're there for a reason. Mostly to keep us safe, sometimes to keep us in line, and always to keep the cruise line out of hot water. So, before you pack your bags, do yourself a favor and check the prohibited items list from the cruise line. Trust me, it's better to be safe than sorry. And hey, if you've got any funny stories about unexpected cruise restrictions, share them in the comments below. Until next time, happy cruising. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates.